They found it very interesting because they could not imagine that they can write the numbers using their fingers in sand. So it was really... I put the number I want them to write here so that they can see and copy and write. So this is...
Watching, trying, seeing, and reasoning. Has a reasoning capacity because here he's jumping over these things. He's enjoying.
Come and identify the old man. Oh, thank you so much. Abdul Kumungalo.
We have a lot. So with that, here we have a lot of the local materials. We have a lot of the local materials, so it's better now we start putting them to use.
Because he's here just jumping, can jump over this, I can't fall down. Even they are tall trees
Using all
and
the
touch
senses.
up, using all the senses.
Okay.
His reasoning that if I step on from here up to here, I won't fall down.
So in these activities, we see that children are touching, they are seeing, they are smelling, they are manipulating things. So they can use them to learn to compare size. Okay.
You can also use fruits.
Fruits.
You can get a mango and you can get a tomato when it is ripe. They can differentiate the color that this one is red, this one is green. They can also know that this one is bigger than this one. They can, if you cut them, they can know that a mango has one seed and a tomato has many seeds.
Yes.
I get things from our environment of these colors. So what they did, they match colors in our environment with these colors.
Where is my smaller thing? Yeah, so they put it in the head. You go, you just move on looking for the one who has the other letter, the small one. If you have big, who has the small one? So when you come across the one who has this, then you've made the match. So that's how we did it. They built different letters. These ones were used to build the B, P, and R. So then some of them built a P, like this. This was P. So that's how we did it. They enjoyed it very much. Everybody was active. Everybody was busy building different letters. Okay, thank you. Putting in a lot of brain to see how this thing can work out. Actually, they said that the more the possible ways at any one time, the better. So here you can see they are using more ways in doing it. It means they are getting it the best way. We've been told we can use the local materials we have. We just need to be creative to make it appropriate for the children, such that they can have their holistic learning.
Right.